When considering a new lighting system for your home, you must ask yourself, what makes an outdoor lighting system installation professional? And what makes a system installed by Lighthouse better than any other? Every Lighthouse installation team follows a detailed project plan that includes not only fixture placement, but more importantly, it details the desired effects your new system should produce. Our installation teams are well trained, and vans arrive stocked to ensure we achieve the promised effects on installation day. Our customers demand results. That's why they choose Lighthouse. Before your installation begins, your designer will walk through the project with your installation team, ensuring smooth handoff and complete preservation of expected design effects. We discreetly bury your lighting cable 6 to 8 inches below the soil surface and not just below the mulch, which is how most other companies do it. Our wire stays hidden over time. PVC conduit in vulnerable places protects your system cable from common landscaping tools such as edgers and aerators. Too many in our industry create designs influenced by ease of installation over excellent lighting effects. Lighthouse designers refuse to compromise amazing results in the face of installation challenges. What many professionals consider to be complicated and highly technical, Lighthouse views as routine. We strive to deliver the most incredible effects while concealing the source whenever possible. We install every part of your professional-grade system with extreme care while systematically testing each component along the way. Lighthouse combines proprietary techniques with the very best commercial-grade connectors, giving you a system that withstands the test of time. Our extreme attention to detail affords you trouble-free system operation that outlasts the competition. At Lighthouse, we never cut corners on your lighting installation. We create high-performance and trouble-free outdoor lighting systems that are designed to last. Our reputation is counting on it. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today. A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.